Okay guys, ready na kami mag-check out. Ito lang ang room namin today. Yan, namang orange ko yan. Lalayas na naman, punta naman Niagara Falls, malinis yan. Ayan lang. Andoon yung car namin, ayun o. Simple. Red roof. Yeah.
Slim, extra wide widths and everything in between.
Tada! Bye! Thank you. I like that hotel. Hello guys! Our way going home to Niagara Falls. It's early in the morning, 9 o'clock. So, see you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you always guys for watching. Yan, magagas muna kami. 297 here in New York. 297. Copyright hat. Niagara River Bridge. Hello. The city in Canada. Bangkok. Tada! Ay, ay, ay. Niagara Falls. Here we go. Our guapo travel to Niagara Falls. Dito kami sa McDo. Going in the parking. It's very nice. Wow. So I want to go there in that one. Oh, go up in the mountain. Oh. Started na lang walking. Go in parking. May Osmo. Aww, so very nice. Dinaliktad ko kasi nililipad ng hangin. So, yung Osmo. Meron na naman akong ito. Sasakay naman ang trolley. Tralalala. Tralala. Ayan na. See the rainbow. Ay, wow. Dami. Ganda ng Niagara Falls. Sakay kami ng trolley, guys. Sakay kami guys ng trolley. Oh, ayan oh.
Made of the miss pool below. Approximately 675,000 gallons of water fall from the brink of the falls every second. We've had 16 daredevil attempts. People who have tried to conquer Horseshoe Falls, only 9 have been successful. That first one being Annie Edson Taylor back in 1901. Annie went over the falls in an oak barrel of her own design. But before Annie took the trip herself, she sent her cat Lucky over first. But took Lucky along for the ride again. Both Annie and Lucky were successful.
We are here in the Three Sister Island. Okay, kita niyan. Ganda, no? Ginaganyan ko kasi ginagupat hangin. Ayan. Gandang inaakala. Kita mo na yung Niagara Falls dun. Punta kami doon sa Canada soon.
Hydroelectric energy to help prevent erosion. Originally, the Horseshoe Falls used to right. You can see a white line at the top of the rapid.
We are in the
That
trolley.
is the point of no return and is considered the official start of the American Rapids. Pretty much, if you're in this area, it'll only take 90 seconds for you to get to shore before you exit. You need to get to the at the bottom of the waterfall down below.
That house earlier.
Currently, there's not enough room to drop you off at our next stop, so we're just have to wait for the trolley ahead of us to move, and then we can get.
Ayan, nakalabas na kami ng trolley, oh. Pero guys, ang ganda dito guys, sa Niagara Falls. Ayan ang aking kasama. Guys, enjoy the view. Ay, wow. Kaganda. Oh, sidewalk closed guys today. Oh, they are under renovation. Oh. Sayang. Ayan. It's renovation. Completion. Summer 2016. Kaya hindi ka makapunta dyan. Yan ang close. Dito yung napakagandang spot. Kaya lang sarado. See? Oh. Under renovation. Ayan, oh. Punta ka doon. They are closed, oh. Ayan, yung part na yun. Na ay, they are under renovation. Tingnan nyo, guys. Kanadahan. Iniwan na naman ako. Masyado talaga nang iiwan. Ayun na siya, oh. Tingnan mo, guys. May iba naman. Ayan, oh. Made of the mist. Dati dyan kami. Ay, ng Canada side. Yes, guys. Thank you. Oh, Mamma Mia. Super init here in New York. Thank you to my guwapong asawa that always have patience. We're in the Yan, dito na naman na. Bibili-bili. I like this. Ang hat nila. So, it's nice. Ganda. Grabe, napakamahal. T-shirt. $34. Niagara Falls. I know, sa gift shop. Dito kami sa taas ng information. Indoor, oh. Dinala na naman ako niya dyan, oh. Ayaw mag-shopping. Window shopping lang yan, tangay. Window shopping lang yan. Kami sa shopping. Ayan, titingin. Ganito yung binili ko. Ayan, meron na akong nabili. Diyan. Ay, grabing walking. Ayun na yung isa. If you have to ride that, you have to pay $100. Ayun siya, iniwan na ako. Uwian na. Uwi na kami. Ayun na siya.
America. Our trolley will now be making its way back to Goat Island, where 4 of our 5 stops are located. With our next one being for the Cave of the Winds, Luna Island, parking lot number 2, the American and Bridalveil Falls, and the Tesla statue. If at any point today you'd like to make the trip from here to Goat Island, or vice versa, by foot, you can use the pedestrian bridge located on our right. The pedestrian bridge offers a great aerial view of the American Rapids, and along with the rest of the park, is kept well lit at night and open 24 hours long.
It's very nice. Wow. Katamaran maglakad. Pauwi na, guys. Sakay kami ng trolley.
If you look to your left, you'll see a white line of waves forming in the water. That is known as the point of no return, and it marks the start of the American Rapids and the start of the end for anything that passes through it. If you're in the water for any reason and you pass through that line, you only have about 3 minutes to find the closest exit before you're going over the falls.
Ay, wow. Eh, gusto ko umakyat dun.
Now by parking lot number 3. Once we leave parking lot number 3, we will head back to where we picked most of you up from,
Wow.
by the visitor center. This trolley, along with the other 4 in service for today, will be continuously making that loop.
Ayan, welcome to Niagara Falls. Sa Maid. Binubok dito sa Niagara Falls. Hey guys, grabing walking dito, Negreta na. Bridalveil. So very nice. Yeah, yung asawa kong gwapo. Grabe. Tingnan mo yung mga tao, ang dami. Sa niya, ayun siya, oh. Oh, diba? haunted yan guys. Eh. Walking in the sunshine. Okay guys, kami na pauwi. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and thank you guys for watching and see you next my adventure kuno. Bye-bye! Pauwi na guys! I'm so very thankful. Thank you, Lord. Ay, grabe ka ganda. Uwian na! Back to work!